Hello children, today I am explaining you about the division of polynomials. I generally find that the children face problem in dividing the polynomials, but today I am going to tell you very easy method by that you can clearly understand how to divide the polynomials. So here the question is divide this polynomial by this one. So this polynomial is dividend and this polynomial is divisor. Now what we have to do? We have to divide this polynomial. We have to write this polynomial inside and divisor here outside. So let's start solving the problem. Here x cube is the first term of the dividend. This x cube we have to divide by the first term of the divisor. First term of dividend is x cube and the first term of divisor is x square. So we have to divide x cube by x square. So x cube divided by x square. If we divide, we will get the answer x. This x we have to write in quotient. Now next step, this x, the same x we have to multiply by divisor. That is x square minus 2. Now if we multiply, this bracket means we have to multiply this x with both the terms. If we multiply x by x square, we are going to get x cube and minus. If we multiply it by 2, we will get 2x. This x cube minus 2x we have to write below their like terms. So where is x cube here? Here. So this x cube we have to write below x cube. Now next term is minus 2x. This minus 2x we have to write below 5x because 5x and 2x are like terms. You can't write this 2x below 3x square because it is x square and this is x. They both are unlike terms. That's why we have to find out which one is like term right below that like term. Now in division we know that we have to subtract. So if we subtract second polynomial from first, we have to change the sign. Here sign is not there, it means minus is there. This minus we have to consider now for subtracting. Now here minus sign is there, we have to change it and make it plus. Okay. So here x cube minus x cube will be 0. Next term is minus 3x square. Now 5 plus 2. Consider new sign. Don't consider old sign. New sign consider. 5x plus 2x will give you 7x. Now one more term is left here. That write down here beside this. Now again follow the same steps. Which steps we have followed? First term of dividend divide by the first term of divisor. So what is the first term here? It is minus 3x square. But don't forget to take the sign. Here minus 3x square is there. Generally children forget minus sign and they write only 3x square. Don't commit this mistake. Minus sign. It is minus 3x square. So first term of divisor is x square. X square will get cancelled out and you will get minus 3. Where to write this minus 3? Tell me. Yes, very good. You have to write here in the quotient. Now next step what? Yes, minus 3 multiply by the divisor. What is the divisor? X square minus 2. Very good. Now minus 3 multiply with both the terms of the bracket. Minus 3 when we multiply by x square we will get minus 3x square. Now you know minus 3 minus and minus 2 minus makes 1 plus, right? So minus 3 into minus 2. 3 2s are 6. We'll get plus 6. Where to write these terms? Yes, very good. You have to write these terms below their like terms. What is the like term of x square here? Same. Minus 3x square minus 3x square. Now plus 6. It is a constant term. There is no variable x, y, z. Nothing is there. Only a number. So it is a constant term. You have to write this constant term below the constant term. Okay. Again you know that while dividing we have to subtract. So when we subtract, the sign of second polynomial change. Old sign will go off. Okay. Minus will become plus and here plus will become minus. Now what to do? 3 minus 3 plus 3x square. It gives you 0. Okay, now this 7x, next you have to note down here. Now here minus 3 and minus 6. Yes, when sign are same, minus 3, minus 6. When sign are same, you have to add, but you have to give negative sign itself. So you will get here minus 9. Okay, now we have to stop dividing. How will you come to know कि we have to stop dividing or we have to proceed? You see the degree of this term. The degree of this term, no number means 1. The degree of this term is 1 and the degree of divisor is 2. So degree of divisor is more than the degree of this remainder. Okay, that's why we have to stop dividing. When this degree will become less than the degree of divisor, then we have to stop dividing. I hope you understand this method. Your own, you take one polynomial, dividend and one divisor, any polynomial you consider, and you divide that. Sometime what happens, some terms are missing. Suppose x cube plus 3x minus 7, like this given. Then you will get confused कि अरे x square is not there. Then what to do? How to divide? One term is missing. So don't get tension. What you have to do? You have to write in this way. X cube plus 0x square plus 3x minus 7. Which terms are missing? You have to write them by taking 0 because 0x square means 0. 0 means there is no term. Okay. So if you write like this in this way, while dividing, you will not face any problem. Thank you guys. I hope you understand well. Try it.